Hi, it's time for another Dekiru English Academy video. This is a desk. Let's go! Hi, it's me Shane again. Today we're going to look at there is a and there are some with countables. Okay? So if there's one of something, we say there is a. There is a dog. There is a banana. There is a Bob Dylan poster on my wall. There is a hole in the wall. Not my wall, that's okay. There is a dinosaur? Okay, that's one. If there's more than one, there are some. There are some bananas. There are some dogs. There are some posters on my wall. I live in Nikko, Japan. And there are some beautiful mountains and waterfalls in Nikko. There are some goggles on my wall. Are they good? There are some goggles on my face. Okay, so today's very easy. There is a, there are some. In my room, there are some windows. There are some books on the shelf. There is a guitar. You have never seen my room. Let me show you my room. Well, let me show you my house. Let's start outside. Come on, let's go. Okay, this is the outside. There is a basketball hoop. There are two garages. Inside, there is a big kitchen. That's a very big kitchen I have. There is an island. There are 4 chairs. There are lights. There is water running. Turn off the water. There is a cookbook and a coffee maker. There are lights, or there are windows. There is another sink. There is a living room. There is a TV and a fireplace. There is more water running. There is a dining room table, and there are some chairs. There is a statue? Oh, it's a weird statue. There is a bathroom, of course. There are stairs. There are some stairs. Let's go upstairs. There is a painting. There is another painting. There is a strange light. There is a nice big bedroom. There's a big bed. There are some rocks on fire. There is a bed for my dog, maybe. There are some big windows. There is a big, big closet. There are a lot of clothes. There is a shower. There is a bathtub. There is a big window. And there is a deck outside. There is a barbecue. And what's over here? Oh, there is a pool in my backyard. I have a nice house. What's inside? There is a painting that maybe my child did. Flowers. And there is a bedroom. There is a bathroom. Another one. There is another toilet. And there is another bedroom. There is another bedroom. There are many. And there is another bathroom. Another one. Wow. Okay. There are some pictures with people I don't know. Let's go downstairs. There's a duck. Look at the duck. It's cute. Okay. There is a big room downstairs. Oh, there's a big, well, there's a gym. I have a gym. I'm so strong. And there's a wine cellar. There are many bottles of wine. There's a movie theater. And of course, there is a sauna. What a nice house I have. Okay, that's my house. What do you think? It's a little small, but I like it. You can do the same with your house. There is a, there are some. Just look around and practice your English. Let's finish. So I'll see you next time. Thank you. Goodbye. There are some birds on my shirt.